My name's Rob Boyd. I'm a professor at ASU where I teach undergraduates about human evolution and work on research trying to understand how the fact that we cooperate with each other and that we learn from each other affects how we evolved. And my story would be it affected it a lot. The fact that humans learn a lot from each other affects human behavior. It's had a profound effect. Humans are really a different kind of animal because of the fact that we learn from each other, which is something that a few primates do a little, a few birds do a little, but it's quite rare in the animal world. And as a consequence, according to me anyway, this has had big effects on the evolution of technology, the evolution of cooperative behaviors, a bunch of other stuff. But for most human history, people made small incremental changes. Things got better a little bit at a time. And still, that was an immensely powerful engine compared to genetic evolution, which can only make progress if there's a random mutation and then everybody who doesn't have that mutation dies, right? So this process is the human cultural accumulation process. Is, I think it's as big a thing as the evolution of photosynthesis or the evolution of chromosomes, these big transitions in the history of life that completely changed the world, and we're changing the world for sure. So if you count up humans and our domesticated animals, we're something like 97% of the biomass in the world, animal biomass in the world. So we have completely taken over the world. You know, if you went back 100,000 years ago, we would have been a tiny percentage of, 1 or 2% maybe of the world's biomass. And that, in my story, that's all owing to the fact that we can culturally evolve, gradually accumulate over time by learning from each other, improving things a little bit, learning from each other again. That's what's led to the fact that different human populations have been so successful in different places. And then finally, over the last few hundred or thousand years, this takeoff with science and huge institutions like ASU devoted to creating new knowledge and preserving old knowledge.